The noblest art is that of making others happy. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about that mimicry artist who is best known for his mimic voices of many Hollywood and Bollywood actors. Yes, he is no other than Dr. Sanket Bhosle. So let's know more about him in detail. Dr. Sanket Bhosle was born on 9th May 1988 in Mumbai to a middle-class family. His father is an engineer and his mother is a businesswoman. From childhood, he was interested in acting. He used to participate in many fancy dress competitions and won many prizes. But because of family pressure, he had to do MBBS. So he is a doctor by profession and has a specialty in dermatology. Dermatology is the branch of medicine dealing with skin. Talking about his acting career, he learned acting skills from Anupam Kher's Actor Prepares Institution. Later in 2012, he made his mimicry debut with the show Laugh India Laugh and was among the top 10 finalists. In 2013, he worked in Big FM 92.7. He also appeared in other comedy shows like Gangs of Hasirpur and Comedy Ka Rocket. But he gained popularity on the Kapil Sharma show and many celebrities appreciated his talent. His Sanjay Dutt mimicry gained such huge popularity that he was called to train Ranbir Kapoor in order to get him into the shoes of Sanjay Dutt for Sanju movie. So this was the story of extremely talented Dr. Sanket Bhosle. Hope you liked it. Thank you.